NSH's थर्ड डेटा से ये है हमें पता चला है कि 40% से ज़्यादा बच्चों का इधर एनीमिया स्टेटस है। तो हमें लगा कि ब्रिटानिया के साथ हम मिलके कुछ करें।
In order to address the iron deficiency among school children suffering from anemia based on various findings, and to create awareness on the importance of nutrition intake, Chaksu and Phagi, two blocks of Jaipur district, were identified for Suposhan program, where Chaksu is an intervention block and Phagi is a control block. Around 200 adolescent students from 26 government schools were identified by lottery method in both the blocks by the CSR team of Narayana Health. Knowledge, attitude, and practice surveys have been conducted amongst the students. Hemoglobin levels of students were measured at 3 intervals during the entire program. An awareness campaign about anemia was launched for students and parents for a healthier future. Suposhan, मजबूत भविष्य की नींव। January 26th, 2019, Republic Day. The distribution of iron-rich biscuits manufactured by Britannia Nutrition Foundation has started from Shivdaspura Girls Secondary School in Chaksu block of Jaipur district. In the first phase of the program, a total of 26 schools were covered, comprising of government secondary and senior secondary schools of Chaksu block. Both the teachers and students were informed about the benefits of iron-rich biscuits. Government of Rajasthan has been providing a glass of milk and lunch to students under the midday meal program. Hence, the decision to distribute iron-rich biscuits an hour before the closing time of school has brought remarkable change.
जी यहाँ पे नामांकन बढ़ा है बच्चों का, और जो बिस्किट है वो बच्चों को बहुत ही टेस्टी लगते हैं, जिससे उनके दिमाग पे भी बहुत अच्छा असर पड़ रहा है और बहुत ही पौष्टिक है। इससे बच्चे डेली स्कूल आ रहे हैं और उनमें एक अलग ही खुशी है।
Suposhan program has so far covered 16,491 students from 52 schools in 100 days from both the blocks. In addition to introducing 4 biscuits every day, the anemia campaign also focused on improving awareness through innovative means. Suposhan program was supported by street plays or Nukkad Natak. The plays were performed by the famous Tamasha artists of Jaipur in local Marwadi language.
बच्चों देखो गांव से ले आए जो मैं तो इन्हें ठीक कर दियो के खून पिलाना पड़ेगा
भाई ऐसा मेरी बात सुनो, खून की कमी है लेकिन कुछ इसका अच्छा खान पान अगर इसका शुरू करोगे, अच्छे पौष्टिक तत्व खिलाओगे तो ये बिल्कुल वापस स्वस्थ हो जाएगा।
Artists reached out to the community. In the middle of the marketplace, people were educated about anemia in both the blocks. A strong medium of expression made students aware about anemia in an engaging and interesting manner.
स्वस्थ रहना चाहिए।
हमें ये बहुत अच्छा लगा, शानदार लगा, और इससे हमें ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें रोजाना मेथी, पालक और बथुआ और दाल खानी चाहिए, जिससे हमारे शरीर में खून की कमी न हो और हम एनीमिया रोग से ग्रसित न हो।
To witness the impact of awareness campaigns on health and behavior of students, street plays were organized in both the blocks. In conclusion, end-line knowledge, attitude, and practice surveys were conducted in the intervention block of Chaksu. We have noticed that students are appreciating the taste of iron-rich biscuits.
बहुत अच्छा है और इससे मतलब सभी बच्चों को पोषण मिलता है, आयरन की कमी को पूरा करता है।
And results from the data gathered prove that it has also improved the health of students. In the intervention block, Chaksu, baseline hemoglobin was recorded at 11.8 grams per deciliter. After consumption of iron-rich biscuits for 100 days, the HB level raised to 12.7 grams per deciliter. where awareness campaigns have also played a major role. Gender-wise results are encouraging. In adolescent girls, the Hb level raised to 12 grams per deciliter from 11.5, whereas in boys, it increased from 12.1 grams per deciliter to 13.2 grams per deciliter. On the other side, in the control block Phagi, baseline hemoglobin was recorded at 11.2 grams per deciliter, and after 100 days of awareness program, it increased to 11.5 grams per deciliter. In the first phase of the program, iron-rich biscuits were not distributed in the control block Phagi, but the result of awareness campaigns and street plays showed that among girls, Hb increased from 11.1 to 11.2 grams per deciliter, and in boys, it reached 11.9 from 11.4 grams per deciliter. The statistics show that the adolescent girls need more iron supplements to fight against anemia. Results from the intervention block were encouraging. The program Suposhan has many challenges such as timely distribution of iron-rich biscuits to all schools, distribution of 4 biscuits to each student every day by the teacher in charge, and recording their consumption in the attendance register. To ensure participation of students, a student camp was organized in every school. Anemia and the benefits of consuming 4 iron-rich biscuits every day were discussed. The second phase of Suposhan program has started in control block Phagi. 4 iron-rich biscuits to every student is being distributed and monitored by the CSR team of Narayana Health. Teachers are recording the consumption of biscuits and attendance of students. We are confident that Mission Suposhan will go miles ahead to make adolescents healthy, because we are determined and committed towards our social responsibilities.
फिर अगली बार और भी चुस्त तंदुरुस्त जोर से हाँ